Welcome to the channel. Today is a very important video that I want to share with you because today I will share you something that you need to master. And if you really master it and you train yourself in this technique, then your success is guaranteed. It's really guaranteed. It took me a long time to understand that, and it took me a long time because it is not really taught in that way. It's not pinpointed in that way. Yeah, you can hear it somewhere if you really search for it, but today I will pinpoint it, I will put it to the open so that you can understand it, why it's so important. And first and foremost, before we continue with this video, I would like to know from you, because we're not chatting in live here, and we're not talking, but I would like to connect with you in a certain way, is, do you think that you can do better in life? And if you think that you can do better in life, why don't you? Put it here in the comments. I would like to read about it. What is the single thing that is holding you back for doing better? And it can be doing better in your health. That can be better in your finances. It can be better in your relationships. It can be better in the way that you are as a parent or as a friend or as an entrepreneur or whatever. Where do you think that you can do better? And why don't you? And we'll start from there. I would like to read some things from you guys. And the thing that will make you understand today is that if you master this and you really understand the power of this, your world will change. And the thing I want to explain you is decision. You say, Nick, but that's easy, decision. Well, it's not that easy. It's obvious that it's not that easy, because if you observe your results and they are not what you really want at this moment, well, then I can tell you that decision, you didn't master it yet. And that maybe your approach towards decision is not the approach that you should have, and that maybe that you should change your approach towards decision. Because often when I start to study with Bob, my approach to decision is, if I decide, I have to have it. If I decide something, then immediately it has to be inside my actual world. So if I decide to buy a house, I need to have that house now. If I decide to buy a new car, now I need to have that car immediately. And that was so wrong. Because if you think that decision and manifesting or having it in your tangible world is the same thing, or it's in the same time space, it's not true. And that's, if you're still thinking that, then that's the reason that you don't take any decisions. And a lot of people have troubles with taking decisions. Yesterday I was at a restaurant and I was eating there, and you should observe people then. There was a little group, I think 4 or 5 there were, and there was a couples and there was a single person, and then the waiter comes and they ask what you would like to eat. And at that moment you see total confusion. A lot of people, they start to hesitate, they don't know what they want to, and that's a simple thing. They don't know, or they don't have the ability to decide fast. Quickly, determined, yes, I want that. No, they start to argue, they start to asking information at their neighbor, what are you going to eat, what are you taking, and do you think it's good? That was a conversation. Do you recognize that? Well, that's typical. Ask if you're with a group of friends and you say, which vacation should we take next year? Where do we go? Well, a lot of people who say, we are going there. Or we decided to go over there. And other people say they don't know it. They can't decide. They can't decide for a beverage. They can't decide for what they're going to eat. They can't decide for what they will wear from clothing. They can't decide which car they want. They can't decide anything. It is a habit. Decision is a habit, and decision comes from the Latin is decidere, and there It's to cut off. So if you decide, that implements that there are no options anymore left. There is only one option left. And that's probably the reason why so many people don't learn to decide or can't decide, because they're so comfortable. There is always a plan B. There's always another. Where if I do this, okay, I'll start that course. But if it doesn't work, I still have something else. I start that business, but if it doesn't work, I always can return to something else. Or they don't see their plan B. They need to have a plan B to decide, to move forward. And if you don't learn to cut off other options, and there is the little trick, because you think, if I decide now, I need the results instantly. You get me? So I decide now I need to get the results instantly. That's not true. I remember Bob telling us, if you say to one of our colleague students, say they want to buy a house. And I say, do you want that house? Well, decide. Yeah, but I don't have the money. Well, you don't need the money to decide that you're going to buy that house. Decision is a mental thing. It's not a physical thing. Decision is something that happens in your mind. It is a message from your rational, conscious mind towards your subconscious mind. It's like giving direction to your GPS. With your rational, this conscious mind, you say, we are going that way. I decide we're going that way. And now you give instruction to your subconscious mind, and now everything what you do will be in line, will go towards that end goal. Yeah, but Nick, if there are obstacles, you decided. Yeah, Nick, but maybe I will arrive a little bit later. Don't worry, you decided. It is because you decided that you will arrive. It is because you decided that you will do the actions. But because you never learned to really take a decision, you start something and you lay off. You start something, it gets a little bit hard, and you stop. Because you didn't take a decision. You took an option. And that's totally different. If you take an option of a better life, well, then your better life will be optional. But if you decide that you will have a better life, that you will have a better health, that you will have a better relationship, then you will have it. It is mine because I decided. Repeat it with me. It's mine because I've decided. Again, it's mine because I've decided. Say it with fire. Say it with all the energy that you have. It is mine because I've decided. And decision means there is no other option. And now, of course, there is the plan that will be necessary to accomplish or to go together with that decision. But the plan can change. The ideas can change. But the decision never changes because you decided. You decided that you wanted that. And that's a very difficult thing but Nick, if I change my mind, well, you don't need to change your mind. If you really want it now, ask yourself, do you really want it? Yes, I really want it. Well, if you really want it, that's not something that you really want doesn't go away because you really wanted it. Or you still want it. And how should you now go through life? Well, there's the law of non-resistance. Imagine yourself as water. Water, when it comes out of spring, it decides to go to the sea. It's inherent to water, it will go to the sea, to a lower point. And whenever, if you observe water, it will never use force. It will accumulate force. Water will search itself under, over, around every obstacle. It will accumulate till it has enough force to move forward. but it will never lose energy by going forward. So be as water. Any obstacle that comes in your way, that is between you and your decision, your goal, the thing that is on your goal card, here on the little card that you should have, the thing is on your goal card, well, the decision that you took, it's directly laser sharp focus towards that. And you never leave it again, you never leave sight anymore. But be as water. Be non-resistant. Means that you don't fight to get there. Don't fight the obstacles to get there. Go around it, go over it, go under it, but you get there. Every step you take, you accumulate more force, like water that is accumulating. Every setback that you have, everything that that's on your path, which is like holding you back towards your goal, use it as an amplifier of force. Use it as a stepping stone. And now you're not anymore that little river, but you're becoming a little bit larger river, and you're accumulating more water. And now you're getting more force. Now you're getting momentum. Now you're getting speed. And now you're going forward. And that's where you have to put yourself in a trajectory. You have to see yourself as that growing river. Every day you're becoming a little bit bigger. And the bigger that you become, the faster that you go towards your goal. So the first thing is now, decide. And I want you now, for the next week to 30 days, to take every day a decision. Take a decision what you will eat. Take a decision what you will wear. Take track of yourself that if you are hesitating in something. Well, should I do that? No, take a decision. Never hesitate in your decision. If you know really what you want, your decisions will automatically, from out your subconscious mind, with your gut feeling, will be aligned towards your goal. If your goal is, I want to be a fitter person, and you see yourself as a fit person, and you decided to be a fit person, now automatically you know in your gut feeling that if you need to decide what to drink, that soda or water, you know what you have to decide. I don't have to teach you what you need to drink. If you want, for breakfast, if you want to take eggs or cereal, well, if you decided to be a fitter person, you then don't have to think anymore what you will eat. Well, shall I eat some cereals? No, you decided. You decide to be a fit person. So it's obvious that you will do that. Same if you are a trader. You want to be patient, you want to be consistent, you want to be disciplined. Well, if you move forward and you decided to be that professional trader, then there is no other option anymore. And that's in every type of goal that you set forward. Once you decided, and remember, decision is a mental thing. It's not a physical thing. And that's what I had to learn and to accept. I can decide to buy that car without having that car for 10 years. I can decide to buy a type of house without having it for 20 years. Time doesn't matter. It's your decision that matters. And the better that you take a decision, the shorter the time will be. So, I hope you learned something in this video. That decision is not a physical thing. Decision is a mental thing. And decision will free up the way and speed up the way towards your success. If you like this video, if you can use it in your daily life, give me a thumbs up, put it in the comments. If you have questions, also put in the comments. I would like to have this YouTube channel as a conversational channel, that you can ask me questions, that you can feel like that I'm here for you. Because I believe more in you than you believe in yourself at this moment. I'm sure of that. See you in the next video. Enjoy your day and decide. Really take a decision.